Welcome to Unique Academy. I am HM Channaviradevulu. Today we will going to learn about how to find the area of a simple, most geometrical figure. So now we will going to study the properties of a simple, most geometrical figure, that is a rectangle. In order to understand the geometrical properties of a rectangle, first I am going to write down the geometrical figure of a rectangle. As we know that rectangle is a geometrical figure bounded by four sides, in which the opposite sides are equal and opposite sides are also parallel. So we can say any geometrical figure as a rectangle when its opposite sides are equal and parallel. In such a case, we can say that the given figure is a rectangle. This is the most important property of a rectangle. Once you know the definition on the properties of a rectangle, now we're going to learn about how to find the area of a rectangle. So area of a rectangle is represented by A, that will be is equal to L into B, where A is known as the area of the rectangle, L is known as the length, or that is the longer dimension of the rectangle, B represents the breadth, that is shorter dimension of a rectangle. So this is the formula to find the area of a rectangle. So by seeing the equation, whenever we want to calculate the area of a rectangle, we require the length of the rectangle as well as the breadth of the rectangle. A stands for area and it will have certain units. The unit generally the area will be depends upon the units used in the L and B. So now I am going to calculate the length of the rectangle, that is the area of the rectangle, assuming the length of the rectangle as 12 meters and the breadth of the rectangle as 10 meters. So these are the two dimensions which are given to us to find the area of the rectangle. So whenever length and breadth is given to us, we can directly substitute the value of the length and breadth in the above equation. That is, area is equal to length is 12 meters and breadth is 10 meters. So 12 into 10 is 120, and here meter is there for length and breadth also m is there. M into m becomes m square as per law of indices. So this is the area of a rectangle. So knowing the rectangle area of the rectangle, we'll try to find out the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter means it is represented by P, that is equal to sum of all the sides of a rectangle. So P is given by L plus B plus B. This is the perimeter expression. So perimeter is given by sum of all the sides of a given geometrical figure. So L plus L becomes 2L and B plus B becomes 2B. So this is the expression for perimeter. In the given problem, the length of the rectangle is given as 12 meters and breadth is given as 10 meters. Now what I will going to do is, so in place of L, I will going to substitute the value of L as 12 meters and breadth as 10 meters. So Now we're going to simplify it further. So here 2 into 12 becomes 24 meters. Then here 2 into 10 becomes 20. So 24 plus 20 becomes 44 meters. Here the unit will be, because here also meter will be there, here also meter will be there. So final unit will be meter only. So this is called the perimeter of the rectangle.